morning everyone, welcome po sa Pasmadong Pistolero channel. And we are here now at Caloocan Police sa firing range. Kasama ko dito sina Kuya Willie De Castro at si Kuya Danny Cruz, all the way from Imus, Cavite. And then meron kami ditong ang gamit namin dito. Napakaraming gamit itong kasama ko dito eh. So we have here Jericho 941
9mm
all steel,
from Israel.
all steel. Yeah. 9mm, 9mm. And then meron din tayong dala na Glock 17, the full size of Glock 17 rounds, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 rounds. Yan. This is USA, Glock 17 USA. And then meron tayo ditong Taurus PT945
45 caliber.
45 caliber alloy frame, stainless steel slide. Yan. Made in Brazil. Made in Brazil. Okay. In 45 caliber pala yun. And then we have this Tampolio map. Made in Italy. Assembled by Arms Corps Philippines. Yeah. And we are ready for our shot. We finish our what do you call this? Yung bang parang
Gun
orientations, gun safety,
Yeah.
and then how to handle gun, how to aim, how to rack, and then magpo-proceed na kami sa firing
In a few minutes.
in a few minutes.
Take your time. Hindi pa malakas ha. Go! Malakas. Madala na. Take your time. Okay, stop.
Huwag mo nakakasa. Nakakasa na. Huwag mo na ibababa.
Tingnan mo lang. Tingnan mo lang. Tingnan mo rin. Take your time. Dandaan. Binig lang mo. Huwag mo na ikakasa. Hindi na ikakasa yan. Maulit. 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 Bumababa ka.
Yun, tumaas.
Oh.
Huwag mo ibababa. Huwag mo ibababa, Kuya Dan.
Isa pa. May putok pa yan. Isa pa.
Apat?
Oo, apat yan.
Pasok ka. Isa pa. Oh,
Saan yung ulit tama?
Alis magazine.
Baba.
Dito ang magazine. Release. Check. Clear. So clear.
Hey!
Check. Analyze yung shot. Ma'am, ito document.
Yan, Kuya Willie.
Sige. Okay. Okay. Loaded. Firing.
Ganda ng tama.
Baba. Okay. Firing ha.
Firing.
Wow. Bullseye na isa. Bullseye na. Stop. Bullseye na. Bihasa.
Yabang oh! Ay yabang oh! Nagpapaandar oh! Buisit!
Firing na. Kakasan mo pa yan, Dali ha. Tapos nun, hindi ka na magkakasan. Tuloy mo na. Firing. Sabi mo, firing.
Oh, firing!
Angat ang konti. Nice one.
Isa pa, pero pa.
May pa tayo sa dito.
Wala
Wala na.
Pero, tinamaan mo yung mga tama dati.
Release magazine, oh.
Ah,
Ito
okay.
yung magazine.